Day two. Day two is about find maximal difference of an array. Given an array of integers, find the maximal absolute difference between any two of its adjacent elements. For example, here an array containing 2, 4, 1, 0, and the output should be 3. So how can you find the absolute difference between any two of its adjacent elements using programming? So manually, we can just calculate the adjacent differences of the array. 2 minus 4 is minus 2. That is the absolute value of minus 2 is 2. Minus 2 minus 1 is minus 3. Minus 3 minus 0 is minus 3. So the absolute value of minus 3 is 3. And 10 minus 11 is minus 1. Minus 1 minus 30 is minus 2. The absolute value is 2. So we can do this manually, but how can we solve using programming? How can we bring a solution, programmatic solution for this problem? Okay, I'm going to just show you my solution. I solved this problem on Code Signal website. You can check out and you can solve, you can contribute your solution for this problem. And I will show you my own problem, solution for this problem right now. Let's look at this. The first solution is, I'm going to show you two solutions. The first solution is just first define the variable div, which contains list of 0 with the length of r. And for every I in the range of len ar minus 1. So just we can subtract minus 1 from the array length, and we can just assign the value, because the for example, if we use this, we have 4 number of elements, so we will have 4 here, 4 zeros, and we assign each index with ARR index I minus, that is the adjacent difference, ARR minus I plus 1. That is the next, the first one is index 0 and the second is index 1. We just subtract from index 1. Then we can return this div, absolute value of maximum div. Okay, let's test solution 2410, and we get 3. That's correct. What about the second testing? We can make sure that our code, our solution is perfect for every test. It should pass all testing stages of the unit test or other tests. Let's try to use another test solution that is 10, 11, and 30. It should 2, but the result is 0. So it doesn't work for the second test. So I have to absolute value each difference. Absolute value each difference here, not the result of the sequence, the list. So I should avoid this one. Div, maximum from that. That is true. It's correct. What about the second, the first one? It's true. So this is a good solution. It works for both testing and it passes the 2 testing stages. And we also use another solution. Let's try to see the second solution. The second solution is, let's create empty list for every x and y in zip. We can zip by slicing the starting from the array index 1, and we can zip together, and we can subtract, append the absolute value of the difference between x and y, and we can get the same result. That's correct. So you can use either the first solution or the second solution. You can also bring your own solution for this problem that's going to find the maximal absolute difference between any two of its adjacent elements in the array. Thanks for watching today.